Online. Hi everyone, today we will learn the Phantom of the Opera theme from the opera Phantom of the Opera. Part 1 we will learn in this video, and part 2 is on the website. Please check it out. So we will begin the first part with the right hand. Right hand plays notes F, A, and D with fingers 1, 2, and 5. Then we have another dramatic chord, notes D, F, and B flat, fingers 1, 2, and 5. Hold that longer. Now we move back to the first chord. So we have F, A, and D, fingers 1, 2, and 5. Now we move back to the second chord. And back to the first chord. Now we get into the main theme. So, second finger plays A, fifth finger plays D, second finger plays A, fourth finger plays C, third finger plays B flat 2 times. First finger plays G, fourth finger plays C, first finger plays G, second finger plays A. Now this theme is repeated again. So second finger plays A, fifth finger plays D, second finger plays A, fourth finger plays C, third finger plays B flat 2 times. First finger plays G, fourth finger plays C, first finger comes back to G, and second finger plays A. We will stop here and look at the left hand. So left hand plays D many times, so we have 3 groups of 4 notes in each group. So 1, 2, 3, 4, group 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we move down chromatically. So second finger on D, third on D flat, first finger goes on C, second on B, and third finger lands on B flat, and we play it 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fourth finger plays A flat, and we move back to B flat, so we play 7 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we come back to D. First finger plays D, second finger takes over the first. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and another group of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we move down, so repeat the D with the second. D, third finger plays D flat, first finger plays C, second finger plays B, and we have 2 groups of 4 on B flat, so 8 notes in total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fourth finger plays A flat, and back to B flat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second finger on B. First is on C. Third is on C sharp, and second is on D again. So we play 8 notes again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and one more, 1. Now here the song starts. Left hand continues with fifth finger on D, second is on G, first is on B flat, second is on G, first is on B flat, second is on G, fifth is on C, third is on E, first is on G, third is on E, first is on G, fifth finger moves up to D, third is on F, first is on A, third is on F, first is on A, third is on F, and fifth is on D. Repeat the D with fifth again. Second is on G, first is on B flat, second is on G, first is on B flat, second is on G, fifth is on C, third is on E, first is on G, third is on E, and first is on G. Fifth finger moves up to D, third is on F, first is on A, third is on F, first is on A, third is on F, and we'll stop right here. Okay, now we will combine hands together. So left hand begins with second finger on D, right hand begins with a chord. First, second, and fifth fingers play F, A, and D. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now just the left hand moves down. So second is on D, D flat, C, B, and together left hand third is on B flat, right hand plays the second chord, D, F, and B flat. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left hand plays A flat, back to B flat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and back to the first chord. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left hand moves down. D, D flat, C, B natural, and together. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fourth is on A flat and B flat. Second is on B. First is on C. Third is on C sharp, and together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. D. Right hand plays second finger on A. Fifth is on D. Back to A. Together, left hand fifth is on D. Right hand fourth is on C. Second on G. B flat. Together, left hand G. Right hand B flat. Again together. G, C, E, together G, E, left hand first on G, right hand fourth on C, G, and together left hand D, right hand second on A, F, A, F, A, then F, D, right hand A, D, back to A, left hand fifth is on D, right hand fourth on C, G, B flat, together left hand second on G, right hand third on B flat, and together G, C, E, together both hands play G, left hand third is on E, left hand first on G, right hand fourth on C. First is on G, and together left hand fifth is on D, right hand second is on A. F, A, F, first is on A, and third is on F. Okay, we will stop here for now. Please check the website for part 2.